Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an AWD error on your Infiniti Q50. First, let's understand what might trigger this warning. Often, it's something straightforward like tire pressure or a sensor issue. We'll walk through checking these common culprits. Performing these initial checks can save you time and money, helping you identify if the problem is minor or requires more in-depth attention. Let's get started with the basics. To diagnose the issue, begin by checking your tire pressure. Uneven pressure can confuse the AWD system. Next, visually inspect your wheel speed sensors, located near each wheel, for any visible damage or debris. These sensors are crucial for the system's operation. Finally, use an AWD Roman 2 scanner to read any diagnostic trouble codes. These codes provide specific insights into what might be going wrong with your vehicle's all-wheel drive. Once you've identified potential causes, you can attempt some fixes. Sometimes, simply resetting your car's computer by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes can clear the error. If a wheel speed sensor is faulty, replacing it is a common solution. Also, ensure your transfer case fluid is at the correct level and in good condition, as low or old fluid can impact AWD performance. These steps often resolve many common AWD warnings. While many AWD errors can be fixed at home, some issues require professional attention. If you're dealing with complex electrical problems, internal transfer case damage, or if the error persists after trying basic fixes, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. They have specialized tools and expertise to accurately diagnose and repair more serious underlying issues, ensuring your Infiniti Q50's AWD system functions safely and correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.